There is no getting close to it. Yeah. I don't know what he said. I think he said he would trade me his bike for this. The rain has left, they said. Come on out, it'll be fun, they said. What's going on, guys? There are 295 miles on the bike right now. It is Saturday. What day is it? And every time I breathe, I steam up my helmet. I'm not going very far, and it is not raining real hard. Just enough to irritate you. I hear the band. Band's still playing. Well, I don't even know if the GoPro's cleaned off. I don't even... Alright, hang on. We'll get it cleaned off here. Sorry, guys. Need to carry a rag with me to clean the GoPro off, I guess. I don't typically ride in the rain, as you guys know. It is interesting that they are still going on. The band is still playing. Oh yeah, we're good. I can't go that way. There is no getting close to it. Yeah. I don't know what he said. I think he said he would trade me his bike for this. I bet you would, kid. I bet you would. I clean like... I don't know. Oh yeah, there's some water on the GoPro. Water on the GoPro. Now it stopped raining. For a minute. And my helmet's not steamed up anymore. Oh, these lights. I'm getting all the lights today. Getting all the lights today. Getting all the lights today. Any day now. Is this guy gonna run it? Is he? Is he? Is he? Nope. I have my back tire slid a little bit on that wet pavement. I guess I'm not going that way either. Guess I'm turning right here. They got it all blocked off. All all blocked off. We're just gonna head back home. That was just a short ride, guys. Alright guys, that's it for the vlog today. I'm gonna take her on home. If you enjoyed what you liked, please like, subscribe, comment, tell your family, tell your friends.